Hey Rose, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette if you're new. So today is my 3.5 years Locd update. Okay, so I've been reflecting on my Loc journey and I love the amount of Locs that I chose. I love the parting and the size that I chose for this Loc set. Sometimes I wish I had like 200 more Locs. I know that sounds crazy, and realistically maintaining 700 plus Locs would be a lot of work and it would take a lot of time. And sometimes I'm like, what if I had 750 Locs? How much fuller would my hair look? I know, it's a little bit delusional because I'm never gonna have 750 Locs, and I do love the amount of Locs I have, which is about 550. Still, it's just something that I think about. So if you have thought about having less Locs or more Locs, it's completely normal to second guess the amount of Locs that you've chosen for your hair, and completely normal to start over as well. I know that it can be daunting to start over your Loc journey, but I did it once and I'm probably not going to do it twice, but I did it once. I had a Loc set with about 250 Locs. I started combing them out, then I decided to shave my hair off, and then once my hair grew out, I started this Loc set. So it's completely normal to really go back and forth about what you want your Locs to look like and how many you want to have. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I used to use the Dove anti-dandruff shampoo. If you can hear talking in the back, that's my almost 2-year-old playing with the toy, so there's that. I was really hesitant to stop using the Dove anti-dandruff because I thought it was the reason why my scalp was so clear, and maybe it was, but I realized that my scalp became really dependent on that shampoo. For example, if I didn't use it for one wash day, I realized that I was getting extra dandruff for the following week. So when I stopped using it and my scalp kind of purged it and got used to not depending on it, my scalp became more clear than it did while I was using the Dove anti-dandruff shampoo. So it did work for a little while, but yeah, once I stopped using it altogether and I started using other products, my scalp actually cleared up more and became less dependent on that shampoo. Another thing I've been thinking about is not fully embarking on my long Locs journey right now. The chapter that I'm in my life, I'm really not, I don't think I'm ready for super long hair, and I still know it's gonna take a while to get my hair super long anyways, but I'm still thinking about trimming my hair. So, and not just like tiny trims, but pretty decent trims to get my hair shorter. And as much as I'm loving the length, I don't think I'm fully ready to just embark on my long Locs down my back journey yet. Okay, so now let's talk about conditioner. As you know, I came into this Loc journey not using any conditioner at all, and then after talking with another loctician, she was explaining the benefits of using conditioner, so I decided to just give it a try and dilute it like the way that she recommended to do it. And I realized that even though it made my hair soft right after wash day, it really wasn't a long-lasting effect. And then I also noticed that I was getting more buildup around the back of my hair because I was putting conditioner like this and putting conditioner like that, like coating my hair. And I realized that I was getting more lint attracted to those Locs that were getting coated. And so I just realized that conditioner is not for me. It's really just not for me. Even though it's kind of fun to just like add more products to your hair, for me, I'm a minimal. I'm gonna be substituting conditioner and actually using apple cider vinegar as my conditioner substitute. I usually wash my hair once a week, but since I have a fresh retie, I don't like washing my hair right after my fresh retie. It seems to defeat the purpose because it's gonna loosen up your retie and also get it frizzier. So typically what I do is I retie 75% of my hair and then I wash the rest of my hair, mainly focusing on the front, and then I finish up my retie. But this time, the times just didn't line up that way. So what I did after my retie is I just sprayed apple cider vinegar and water all over my hair and used that as kind of a shampoo, but it's not gonna deeply cleanse just by doing that once. It did make my hair feel a lot lighter and fresher than it did before, but I still have to do like my full shampoo routine. Again, I'm not gonna do that until next week when I'm due to do it again. So this just kind of to hold me over because I felt like it was better than doing nothing or just using water. So if you want to refresh your locks really quickly, then I recommend doing apple cider vinegar and water, putting it in a spray bottle, spraying it all over your hair, and kind of like shampooing lightly. And it does cleanse your hair, and it made my hair feel really, really soft. So surprisingly, apple cider vinegar is a clarifier, but it can also act as a conditioner because it softens your strands. Another thing I was focusing on with this retie was stretching out my bunch locks. So majority of them happen around the base. I don't have any really more left that need to be stretched because I did it already, but there was like some bunching happening, so I would just lightly pull on it. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I was doing it very lightly and just kind of stretching out the bunching a little bit because I felt like it made my lock look better. Another update is that I lost another lock. This is so sad. Look how long this is. But you can see it's been really impacted by postpartum hair loss, so it just couldn't hold on anymore. It's crazy because my son is almost two in like 4 months, and I'm still experiencing the effects of postpartum. But it was this one right here. So now I have another baby lock that I have to keep retwisting. I was doing my retie and it just broke off. So once I hit 4 years locked, I'm only going to be doing one more half-year locked update. And then once I get to 5 years, I'm only going to be doing yearly updates from there. Because I feel like at that point, everything is situated. It's just the length that's changing. Yeah, of course, I'll be doing other videos in between those times. But in terms of lock updates, I'm going to have my 4 year, my 4.5 year. And then once I hit 5, it's just going to be 5, 6, 7, and so on. However many more videos I'm going to do of my locks. Let's get into our close-ups and 360. This is my scalp from the front. I'm going to go to the middle part so that you can really see everything. Okay, so here's my scalp. Here's where my hair is falling on the side. Also, I did trim all of these front locks, like all of these, because there was just such a separation from my postpartum growth to the hair loss, and there was a huge bulge on those locks, and I didn't like how it looked, so I just decided to cut it off. Like, it's kind of awkward now because it doesn't stay down, but it'll grow out quickly anyway, so. This is what my natural hair color looks like. And it's just gonna get lighter. See the buildup? Gotta remove that. Of course, I'm still loving my lock journey. It's crazy how much my hair has grown in 3.5 years, and I can't wait to continue to see all the progress and share it with you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see me when I'm not on YouTube. And I also post sometimes on my TikTok. That's all in the description box. That is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!